Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Ria account. Let's get into it. First, download the app or open the site. The first step is to get the program on your phone or go to the website so you have the right tools to start. Go to your phone's app store and look for the Ria app, then hit the button to download it. Once it is on your phone, open it up and look for the button that says Get Started or Register, because you need a place to put your information. You have to have the app ready so the system can guide you through the sign up process. Without this step, you wouldn't have the right screen to put your details in. Next, enter your email and pick a password. You need to tell the system who you are and pick a secret word to keep your account safe. Type your best email address into the top box and then create a strong password. Make sure you write your password down in a safe spot so you don't forget it later, because your email becomes your name in the system. Picking a secret password ensures that only you can get into your account. It keeps your money and your information protected from anyone else. Next, fill in your personal details. Now you are going to tell the system your real name and where you live so they know exactly who is using the account. Type in your first and last name, your phone number, and your home address. Make sure everything matches what is on your ID card so there are no mistakes. It proves you are a real person. The system needs these details to make sure every money transfer you send follows the rules. It is the key step to getting the right output and making sure your account is approved quickly. Look for a text message with a short code and type that number into the app. And that's it. To create an account in Ria, you must first download the app and open it. Then, you put in your email and a secret password to keep things safe. Next, you fill in your name and address so the system knows who you are. Finally, you type in the text code to verify your phone and finish. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.